Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we are going to learn how to approve tagging on Facebook. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Let's see how to do it in a few simple steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a menu with more options. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. This will take you to the general settings page of your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on Profile and Tagging. This will show you the settings related to your profile and how people can tag you. Step 5. Under the section Review, you will see two options. Review tags people add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook, and review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your timeline. You can turn on either or both of these options by tapping on the toggle switch next to them. When the switch is blue, it means the option is on. When the switch is gray, it means the option is off. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.